Have you ever wondered why the smell of perfume can fill an entire room, even if sprayed in just one corner? This video, Diffusion of Bromine Gas, explores the science behind this phenomenon. By the way, did you know that the concept of diffusion is so universal, it explains not just how gases mix, but also how nutrients move through cells? Stick around, and we'll uncover even more mind-blowing facts about diffusion. Diffusion is one of the most fascinating phenomena in science, and what better way to explore it than through an experiment that you can try at home or in a classroom. The experiment involves placing bromine gas into a gas jar and covering it immediately. Another gas jar is then placed on top of the jar containing bromine, followed by the removal of the cover. The observed result is the gradual spread of reddish-brown vapor throughout both jars over time. Here's a challenge for you. As the gas spreads, try timing how long it takes for the bromine gas to diffuse evenly. Does it take longer if you use a larger jar? Does temperature play a role? Test it out and share your findings in the comments below. The explanation for this phenomenon is twofold. Firstly, bromine gas diffuses from the lower gas jar in area with high bromine concentration to the upper gas jar in area with low bromine concentration. Secondly, air particles diffuse from the upper gas jar region with high air concentration to the lower gas jar region with low air concentration. Here's another challenge for the curious minds out there. Can you think of other everyday examples of diffusion in action? Maybe in the kitchen, in nature, or even in your own body? Diffusion is not just a property of gases. It's a fundamental process that governs life itself. From how oxygen enters your bloodstream to how scents travel through the air, diffusion is nature's way of achieving balance. Now that you've witnessed the diffusion of bromine gas, let's take this journey further. In our next video, we'll cover diffusion in liquids.